Hello, my dear friends. Do you also think like this that why we study maths? Maths is so boring subject, so tough subject. Why we are studying it? Why these chapters are there? Have you ever thought like that? So today we are going to see one part of it, like exponent and power is one of the chapter. Why we are studying that chapter? What is the need of it? Okay, so for fact I will tell you, then you can also suggest me, you can also add on this, that why we are studying this chapter in the comment section. First one is to handle the very large number easily, like for world population. Like our world population, you know how much it is 8 billion, means 800 crore. If you have to write 800 crore, how you will write? 8 then triple zero triple zero triple zero three times. So this you can write in short also, means 9 zeros are there, so you can write 10 to the power 9, 10 raised to the power 9. So in this way you can write 8 into 10 raised to the power 9 for the 8 billion. Now, internet data per day. How much internet we are using per day? Not one person, the entire world is around 3.3 into 10 to the power 14. So it is very easy to write this number in short form, in exponential form. Otherwise, you have to write 3, 3, then 14 zeros. So it will be a big number. So to write in short and to handle these big datas, we need exponent and powers. Second reason is there why we are studying this chapter, why we are studying exponent and powers is to make our calculation faster. Suppose 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, if you will do, it will take much time. If you write it in the short, 5 raised to the power 4, if you know this value directly you can do. Or suppose if 5 raised to the power 4, you have to divide with 5 raised to the power 3, so 4 and 3 you can cancel and you can write 1 there, so answer will be 5. So like this we can do our calculation faster with the help of exponent and power chapter. And then when you understand exponent and power, have you ever imagined that the world which is going towards AI, with AI now we are growing, the computer data, these all things, why they have 1024, why the memory storage capacity they kept as 1024? Because it is 2's power 10. Okay, 2 raised to the power 10 also we can say, or we can say 2 to the power 10. Both are the correct way to pronounce this. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 10 is what? 1024. So when you understand exponent power, you can able to understand how computers store data in terms of gigabyte, megabyte, then kilobyte, all those things. And have you ever thought on this, that kilobyte means, actually kilo means 1000, right? But here kilobyte means 1024, right? 1024 bytes. So this is very interesting. Why 1024? Because it is 2's power 10. Next, if you understand exponent past chapter, it becomes very easy for you to understand the small like bacteria's size, atom size, and then the massive distance, like between the planets, between the asteroids. So one example is given here in microscopic science. If you will see, suppose you have to write 0.000001. So if you will count like this, as I said just now, it will be not it's not sounds first of all correct, and it not be useful for you to say like this, means there will be chance of making mistakes, right? So how you will tell this number? 10 raised to the power minus 6. If after decimal 0 is there, means after decimal digits are there, so it will come in minus, in power it will come minus. Okay, so in the place of exponent you write minus, and the 10 is the base here and minus 6 is the exponent. So how many zeros are there? 3 and 2, 5, 5 zeros. After that one number is there, so decimal you are taking to the right side, so that's why you have to write 10 raised to the power minus 6, because decimal is crossing 6 digits. And same with space science column, you can see there it is written 384 followed by 6 zeros, so you can write it as 3.84 And because 60 is there and decimal you are placing after 3, so 60 is there and 2 digit more, 8 digit. So you are taking decimal here after 3. So how many digits you crossed? 8 digits. So 10 power 8 meters will come. So if you have knowledge of exponent and power, you can easily able to do this all these calculations faster. And when you will go in higher classes, when you will do in real life also, when you will do something in real life like scientific things or engineering things, or when you will deal with computers, ais, softwares, so there you need space memories in ai. So those things comes in exponent parts and it will help you. It is just a part of mathematics. So we are dealing with all the chapters one by one, and I will explain, means we will discuss on this, not explanation. We will discuss. You can also share your ideas in the comment section, what you think, why these chapters are important for us. Okay, so you can also research on it. Exponent power we have explored now. Next chapter, which one you want to see, why we are studying that chapter, you can write it in the comment section. We will surely explore it, why we are studying that particular chapter. Thank you.